Apple Inc., known globally for its innovative products like the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook, serves as a prime example of the power of strategic human resource (HR) planning in driving an organization's growth and success. This case study explores how Apple's HR strategies have been integral to its journey from a small startup to a leading technology company. Strategic HR planning at Apple. Recruitment and culture fit. Challenge. In a highly competitive tech industry, finding the right talent is crucial. Apple needed individuals who were not just skilled, but also aligned with its unique culture. Strategy. Apple implemented a stringent selection process focusing on hiring people who not only had the necessary skills, but also fit well with the company's culture. This approach ensured that employees were not just contributors to their specific roles, but also ambassadors of Apple's values and vision. Outcome. This recruitment strategy resulted in a workforce deeply aligned with Apple's ethos, contributing significantly to the company's innovative outputs and brand strength. Employee development and training. Challenge. Keeping up with rapid technological changes and maintaining a leading edge in innovation. Strategy. Apple invested significantly in comprehensive training programs. These programs were designed to continuously upgrade employees' skills and knowledge, aligning them with the evolving industry trends. Outcome. This investment in employee development led to a highly skilled workforce, fostering both innovation and employee loyalty. The result was not just cutting-edge products, but also a lower employee turnover rate. Succession planning. Challenge. Ensuring leadership continuity and maintaining strategic direction during transitions. Strategy. Apple focused on grooming internal talent for leadership roles, preparing them to take over when key positions opened up. Outcome. This succession planning minimized disruptions during leadership changes and maintained strategic consistency, safeguarding Apple's stability and ongoing success. Conclusion. Apple Inc.'s strategic approach to human resource planning has been a critical factor in its rise to global prominence. By aligning HR practices with its broader business objectives, Apple has fostered a culture of innovation, cultivated a strong and loyal workforce, and maintained a competitive edge that goes beyond just its products. This case study demonstrates the profound impact that strategic HR planning can have on an organization's overall success and longevity.